Well, what's happening, guys, and welcome down to another brand new video right here on Theme Park Insanity. And today we're back at Blackpool Pleasure Beach for the opening day and press launch of Aviktas, their brand new Intamin Gyro Swing that reaches heights of up to 138 feet. Now, this will be the UK's largest ride of its kind, and it opens to the public at 2 o'clock. However, it opens to us at 11, and yes, we can film on ride. So come and join us as we experience everything that the opening day and press launch for Aviktas here at Blackpool Pleasure Beach has to offer. Let's go. Well, it's time to check in. So check-in is between 10:30 and 11, and as you can see, it is absolutely rammed. But this is going to be really good fun. Now, I wasn't here, rather, should I say, for the opening of Icon, which was their last major new ride in 2018. But apparently they go all out. So let's see if they do the same for Aviktas here as well today. So as you can see, there was a bit of a queue, but we are getting there gradually. It's moving. So the desk itself is inside the casino, which is where it was last time we came. Really kind of interested to see just what they're going to do for this and ultimately kind of how this celebrates its opening. They always did a good thing with Valhalla, that was really well done. They did a really good thing with Launchpad as well, which was the first official press event I was here for. And again, a massive thank you to Blackpool for inviting us down today as well. I really appreciate this amazing opportunity. And there's a digital Dan in the background, so we're all good. Right. So we've got roaming actors walking around greeting guests and welcoming them to Aviktas, saying they hope we enjoy their discovery of the ancient artefact, which I'd assume is referring to the ride itself. It's very green in here. You've got the Aviktas registration there. There's also kind of themed dancers, although they are right over there now. You might just have seen them a second ago. But there's a very, very large amount of people here. Our desk is over there in the corner. So as I said, let's get checked in. Oh, and true to my last visit as well, I said I was going on a diet last time I came because I only just fit on that ride. Well, I've cut out all cakes, sugary sweets, all that sort of thing, and also bread and stuff like that too. So hopefully that makes a difference, but we'll see. I'm hopeful, I'm very hopeful. As I say, it's been around about, what, week and a half, 2 weeks, something like that, so fingers crossed. Well, we've got our little gift box. This is lovely. So it's got a lanyard, a £15 food voucher and something else in there as well. But it's beautifully designed. See Aviktas on the bottom there? That is really cool. Thank you so much, guys. That's epic. Right, we're in the park. So I've got my lovely gold lanyard and my VIP pass. And again, I really appreciate this. This is absolutely incredible. We've been told to head straight over to the ride. All the work fences, should I say, are down, which is fantastic to see. And we'll finally be able to show you exactly what the ride area, the entrance, all that sort of thing looks like. Let's go. So we've got non-alcoholic ones over there, different kind of things. So you've got a rhubarb, jam, apple juice, kick of ginger, which looks really nice. You've got the Anchor Royale, Anger, from Stories of Gold, Temples, honey lavender. So cocktails. So they're cocktails. They're non-alcoholic cocktails, and of course I'm going to go for the prosecco because, well, you might as well celebrate in style, right? Cheers to Aviktas. So it's safe to say that they're really looking after us this morning. We've got a bit of a reception here just by the ride. So we've got little canapés, sausage rolls, pork pies, that sort of thing, which is stunning. Prosecco, of course. Photo op in a minute, which I'm going to grab. This is really cool. Really, really cool. And as you first look at Aviktas in all its splendourous green and gold glory, they've got a beautiful themed entrance there, ready to have the ribbon cut very, very soon. As I said, we rode this on preview day and it was absolutely incredible, so it's going to be good to get back on, show you an on-ride perspective and ultimately ride it again. But the crowds here today are something else.
Please make your way forward to the Aviktas ride entrance area, please. Thank you.
And here we are then outside Aviktas entrance.
Aww, I was going to flog bomb you there.
Away. Yeah, go sit down. Awesome. Yeah, I'm going to watch them open it. There's a lovely gold ribbon across there, which they're going to cut in a second. And then we'll be able to make our way through. But this is incredible. What an experience today's been so far.
Anyway, welcome to the opening event of the mighty Aviktas here at Blackpool. I, like you, am a massive enthusiast of not just theme parks and amusement parks around the world, but especially here, my favourite.
Everyone, so many people, this is fantastic. This is a long time since we've made such a huge investment here at Pleasure Beach. This is a £9 million project, and that's huge for a small family business like ours. And so I'm very, very grateful to have so many people here today. Sasha Chabulka's flown in from Switzerland, and Sasha is part of the company called Intamin, and Intamin designed and built this structure. Also today we have Glenn Robertson with us, and Glenn's come in from Germany, and he created the music for this ride, and that is so very special to have such amazing music for the ride. I think everything works really well together. I've driven everyone here at Pleasure Beach mad, pushing forward this project, making sure it actually got to this day, because I was very worried in January we weren't going to get to an opening day, but we've got here, and I think that all the team at Pleasure Beach have worked extremely hard to get where we've got to today. Blackpool is, now the big one's flying around behind me, so I hope everyone can hear me, but I think what's really exciting is that we've continued to invest in Blackpool as a family, and we've continued to keep the money in resort.
Hey!
8, 7, 6, 5, this way, please. 4, 3, 2, 1.
And here we are into the ride area, soaring above our heads, up to heights of 138 feet. It's the mighty Aviktas. Right, well, come and join us. I take my first ride here today on Aviktas and bring you all my point of view. Let's go. Here we go. This is the first public ride. Woo-hoo! Woo! It doesn't take long to get up, though. Whoa! Oh, the air time is incredible. Whoa! Woo! Wow! Oh my God! Wow! What an incredible addition to the park it is. Well, I think you can tell by my face what I thought of that, because that was just utterly incredible. The air time at the top of the swings. I mean, obviously I rode it before, but that felt different today. I don't know what it was, it just felt different. And now we have it, and we've been given our official You've Conquered Aviktas certificate, which I actually already have. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to put this out for a giveaway. More information on that very, very soon. But what an incredible ride. I think I need a few more rides. I'm going to show obviously my POV, so I'll do a face to cam. We'll get back in the queue in a second. But yeah, a really solid, great addition here to Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Well, time for round 2. Let's go for another ride.
Just shouted on it, he said it's swing past and amazing. Look at it go.
Right, here we go. Aviktas round 2. Let's go. Oh, she's a beast. Arms up. You got a lovely view of the coast as you go up as well. Woo! Whoa! Woo! God, those swings are forceful. Way! Whoa! Whoa! Good God! Woo! Woo! Absolutely amazing. And the airtime at the top of them swings, spot on. And there you have it, that was Aviktas. Now open here at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. If you haven't ridden this before, and you're watching this video at a later date, come check it out. And if you're watching it today, get your backsides here as soon as possible. There we go, Aviktas. What a ride. Two rides, yeah, 3, one more for good measure. Let's go.
Have you seen that photo? Rest day, it's like, oh, I should have filmed. It's a shame that we can't like that.
What was that what Amanda was saying about the rain? You know, rain in Blackpool? Now there is now. Right, round 3. Let's go. Whoa.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Join in. Oh yeah.
Woo!
Get more forceful.
Oh!
Airtime. That's definitely going to be a bit chin down there. Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that height.
What a view. Looking straight out to the sea. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Yeah, there's the rain and the sun.
Right, well, one last ride before I wrap this up. So that'll be ride number 4. It does shut and then reopen at 2 o'clock for the public. I'm not going to film it. I'm going to go and enjoy it. I've filmed 3 rides now. So one last ride and then we'll wrap up our Aviktas press preview opening day vlog. Right, okay, so I've got the mic out because I felt that was a little bit more professional, but we're here with Aaron, good friend Aaron Chalona, Costa Chol, links in the description. What did you think?
Best flight ride in the world, hands down, nothing can beat it as it stands. Just out of this world. The whole team at Pleasure Beach, from top to bottom, construction, design, graphic work, landscaping, opening ceremony, they smashed it out of the park completely.
Fantastic. And in terms of kind of flat rides in the UK, where does this rank for you?
Number one, it's up there by at least, if this was Eurovision, this would be top of the leaderboard by about 15,000 points. Just out of this world. It's not an immediate reaction either. I took a couple of rides now, had time to think about it. Yeah, it knocks most of them, if not all of them, on the floor now.
Fantastic. So, in terms of that then, there's nothing else that can really beat it for you at this stage?
Not at the moment, no, not unless one of the UK parks or wants to go out there abroad a bit more and do some of the flat rides out there. But at the moment, no, this one tops the leaderboard for sure. Like I said, they smashed it out of the park from top to bottom. The amount of weightlessness and airtime that you get during those high points at either side is just on a phenomenal Richter scale. Just unbelievable ride and a really big hit for Pleasure Beach.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts, not shorts. I wish I was wearing shorts. It's warm enough. Anyway, yeah, thank you for sharing my thoughts, and yeah, have a good day.
Thank you very much, and shout out to Pleasure Beach for inviting us down. Absolute honour, absolutely humble. Thank you.
Absolutely. And there we have it. So that is the Aviktas press day at a conclusion, and a huge thank you to Pleasure Beach for inviting us down today and giving us this amazing opportunity. Just like everyone else has said, this ranks well above anything else we've currently got in the UK for flat rides, and I go as far as to say it's one of the UK's best rides. It really is. It may look intimidating, but when you get on it, the airtime is incredible. The forces as it kind of swoops through the station or something else, and ultimately it's just a really good fit for the park and a solid ride addition for the UK too. If you are in Blackpool or indeed in the local area over the next week, come and check it out. It's now open to the public as of today, which is May the 21st, and do let me know what you think about this ride in the comments below as well. If you have enjoyed this video, as ever, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications to avoid missing out, and if you have enjoyed this video in particular, smash the like button to let me know. But from myself, Joe, here at the Aviktas opening day, this is Theme Park Insanity, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, bye bye.